Welcome to Chef Sham Food World. Pakistani cuisine has a rich history with influences from various cultures, including Mughal, Persian, and South Asian. Traditional cooking methods and recipes were passed down through generations, with family members and cooks sharing their expertise. In the 1970s and 1980s, Pakistan saw a growing demand for trained chefs, particularly in the hospitality industry. The Pakistan Tourism Development Corporation, PTDC, established the first culinary school in 1976, offering certificate courses in cooking and hospitality management. The Karachi Culinary Institute, KCI, was founded in 2002, offering diploma programs in culinary arts and hospitality management. In recent years, Pakistan has seen a surge in culinary schools and institutes, offering various programs in culinary arts, baking, and pastry making. The Pakistan Culinary Institute, PCI, in Lahore, and the Institute of Culinary Arts, ICA, in Karachi are notable examples. These institutes offer degree programs, diplomas, and certificate courses, with a focus on modern culinary techniques, kitchen management, and entrepreneurship. Pakistan's culinary industry has gained recognition globally, with Pakistani chefs winning international awards and competitions. The country's food scene has also been featured in prominent food and travel shows, further boosting its reputation. Today, culinary studies are a popular choice among students in Pakistan, with many pursuing careers in the hospitality industry, food entrepreneurship, and food media.